Hello P1s, welcome back to music. I hope you guys remember what we learned last week, which was the quarter note and the quarter rest. Do you remember how many beats you clap on a quarter note? Let me hear you say the number. How many beats is a quarter note worth? Okay, I hope you said one beat, right? A quarter note means you clap once, and we said the word ta, like this. Ta. That's a quarter note. Ta equals one beat. And we also did the quarter rest, which means we also rest for one beat, like this. Okay? So it's a silent note. All right. Today we're going to add to that, and we're going to learn a new note. Now, this is an eighth note. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take an eighth note and we're going to take another eighth note and then we're going to combine them together with this beam. And now you have a pair of eighth notes. Now, one eighth note by itself is worth half of a beat. So it's worth less than the quarter note. It's only worth half of a beat. So if we want a full beat, we need to get the other half to join it. And that's what the beam does. And together we have one beat. And now we're going to clap it not by saying ta, ta, but now because there's two of them, it has to go faster. So we're going to say TT, TT, okay? TT. So whenever we see the quarter note, we're going to go ta. Whenever we see two eighth notes, we're going to say TT. Got it? All right. So let's look at an example. Here is an example. And here we have ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's look at that again. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So if we clap it, it sounds like ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Try that with me. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. One more time. Here we go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Good. Right beside it, we have some more. This one goes T, 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 ta. Okay, listen again. T, 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 ta. Try that with me. Here we go. T, 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 ta. One more time. T, 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 ta. That's it. So you want to try the whole example now? Let's try the whole line, okay? And we're going to put a little rhythm to it. Here we go. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. One, two, ready and go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Okay? This time, we're going to do it 4 times in a row. Okay, so if you don't get it the first time, maybe you'll get it the second time, or the third, or the fourth time, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready and go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Again, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Again, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Last time. Ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. All right. Great work, you guys. So let's look at another example. Okay? Here's another example. Okay, so here we have ti, ti, ta, rest, ta. So now we have a quarter rest. Let's try that again. Ti, ti, ta, ta. One more time. Ti, ti, ta, ta. Okay. And going on, moving on, we have ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Try that. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. One more time. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Good. Now let's try the whole line with the rhythm. Here we go. 1, 2, ready and go. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Got that? Okay, so let's try it again. This time we're going to do it 4 times in a row. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready and go. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. 2 more. Ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. 1 more. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. All right, great job. And you might have heard me almost mess up just a little bit. Goes to show you that even Mr. Henry could mess up. So it's okay if you don't get it right every single time. Okay, guys? All right, so let's look at the last one. This is our last example that we're going to do today. And we have ta, ti, ti, ta. Okay, let's try it with me. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Got it? Let's try it again. Ta, ti, ti, ta. And moving on, we have ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Try that. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. One more time. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Okay, let's put it all together. 1, 2, ready and go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Again, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Again, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Last time, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to play a video that's going to have you clapping just like this, and you're going to have some help in the beginning. So you're going to follow along, some music will play, and you'll clap the same type of rhythms that we just did with some help. And then you're going to be on your own, okay? So I want you to make sure that as you do it on your own, that you stay on the beat, you listen to the rhythm, try to stay on the beat, and the more you practice it, the more you do it, the more faster you can do them, the more notes you can add, and we could do a lot more. So it just really depends on how often you practice. So I want you to go ahead and take some time to learn how to clap some of these rhythms, okay? And at the end, I will explain what your assignment is. Good luck.
Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Awesome! let's get ready for the next rhythm. Take a look and a quick study. 1, 2, ready, go. Tee-tee-ta, ta, tee-tee-ta, 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 ta, tee-tee-ta, 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 ta, tee-tee-ta, 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 ta, tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta. Super cool. Let's get ready for the next rhythm. This time you are on your own. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Let's get ready for the next rhythm. Take a look and a quick study. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now the tempo or speed of the music will go a little faster. Get ready. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, tee tee ta, 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 tee tee ta, ta, tee tee ta, 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 tee tee ta, ta, tee tee ta, 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 tee tee ta, ta. Nice work. Let's get ready for the next rhythm. Take a look and a quick study. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, tee tee ta, tee tee ta. 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 Sweet. Let's get ready for the next rhythm. This time you are on your own. 1, 2, here we go. Excellent. Here is the last rhythm. You are on your own. 1, 2, ready, go.
All right, how was that? I hope you were able to get through. I know that sometimes it's not easy to do it the first time, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. So what I want you to do is, I want you to look at these 3 examples, these 3 lines. I want you to select either the top line, the middle line, or the bottom line to clap for me. So I would like your parents or somebody to videotape you clapping one of these lines. If you feel like you understand this and you could clap it very well and you wish to clap all 3 lines, then you're free to do so. But I only expect you to do one of the lines, and you could select either one, whichever one seems the easiest for you. You could go ahead and you could clap that for me. Okay, I'm not gonna clap them for you because I want to see if you could clap it on your own. Okay, and I want to see if you could get it correct. Now I want you to make sure that you indicate which line you are doing. If you're doing the top line, if you're doing the middle line, or if you're doing the bottom line. Okay, so I know which line to look at to see if you're doing it correctly. So make sure that just before you do it, you say, Mr. Henry, I'm doing the top line, or I'm doing the middle line, or I'm doing the bottom line. Okay, once again, whenever you guys submit any videos or any type of work into the Google Classroom, I want you to make sure that you put your names as well. So I want you to either, you could say your name, or you could just type in a message as to your name, just so I do not get anybody's work mixed up. It's very important that you just indicate, say your name, so that I don't accidentally give someone else your high marks. Okay? Alright, you guys, I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing your recordings. Take care, and I'll see you guys next week.